All right. It's everybody's favorite Uncle Buddy. Here about a month or two ago, we had a show and shine out at, I call it Nils Bakerville, Kansas. And anyway, we had a great time, got together, a bunch of us that ride together, Jeep together, and off-road together. We all just showed off our stuff. There were some awards given away. Philip Herder, I believe, won Mall Crawler. Tim Marr got Barbie Jeep. Mark Every, of course, got Panty Dropper. And there was the most pulled out and plunged out and all kinds of stuff. But anyway, this is just a hodgepodge of some drone video I got. And I thought I'd just share it with the Avocado Beach Club, since that's about everybody's vehicles that are in there. And there's a special Jeep there, Josh Freese bought, and it's kind of a work vehicle. You'll see it here in a little bit. But anyway, this is the video from the show and shine we had there a while back. Somebody wants to tag the date in this, go right ahead. But y'all have a good day. Uncle Buddy loves you. Bye. Ooh.